Suka pa na niya. Yatay niya siya. Ayaw ba? Liho ka ba? Yatay, oy. Liho kita ka mo. Che, dito ta connect ba? Pasok ng speaker.
Expectations became goals.
Bakit parang nagagawa ng pangarap ng pagbabae ka? Bakit kaya? Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now we're going to select our trustee for our youth leadership summit.
Ma'am, I volunteer.
Very good, Marco.
One of the things. Her heart was beating fast. Not because she lacked ability, but because she feared judgment.
Ma'am, gusto ko po sana sumali. Di Juana? Kaya niyo ba yun? Are you sure, Juana? Leadership requires confidence. Yes, ma'am. I will prepare.
Sometimes, the bravest thing a woman can do is simply to say, I want to try.
Ang pronunciation sa word, karong makapin sa criteria.
Nakatapagod ang salita mo. Kaya ko ba? Pero mas nakakapagod kung hindi ko susubukan. Sino ang susubukan ko kung hindi ko nakatagnayan sa aking sarili? Ako ay hindi mababa. Ako ay hindi mahina. At ako ay may kakayahan.
I am Marco, and I'm running for being a leader. I have the capabilities, I possess all the abilities to become a leader. It is power, it is control, it is strength, and I thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Marco, for this wonderful message. Okay, now let us all welcome our last contestant for this morning. Let us welcome Miss Juana. This was the moment she feared, and the moment she prepared for.
Good morning, everyone. I am Juana. I am stand here not just for myself. I am stand here for those girls who have fear to quiet and to dream.
Babae ko at may sinabisan kung nagpaawi. Sinusulong ko mga layunin, pero pagkan sa mga usapin. Sa edukasyon sa may hanay, napunang sugat ang lalay. Ipaglaban ang alasan,
Cute kasi Clinton.
kali ay babae ko. May paligid, kasi mapipigil kailan pa man. Babae ko na may karapatan, may kakayahan.
Joshua. Lord, facial expression.
Leadership is not about volume. It is about passion, and it is not about control. And women lead homes, communities, and nations, not loudly, but faithfully.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful presentation, Miss Juana. Now is the time to announce the results for our Youth Leadership Summit representatives for this year 2026. So after careful deliberation,
Ma'am, gusto ko po maging leader pero nahihiya po ako. Baka hindi ako sapat. Alam mo ba, minsan, naisip ko rin na hindi ako sapat. Pero natutunan ko, hindi mo kailangan maging malakas. Ang kailangan mo lang ay tiwala sa iyong sarili. Pero babae mo po ako. Huwag mong lagyan ng love. Kasi ako si Juana at ikaw ay Juana rin.
Mm.